You sit down Saturday morning to learn Claude Code Skills. You type the words into search. The first result is 43 minutes long. The second result opens with a black terminal screen and a command you do not recognize. The third result is a list of 232 skills ranked. You close the laptop. There are 7 things you actually need to know. 7. That is the full beginner kit. Once you have those 7, you can sit down on any Saturday morning, build the first skill that saves you 2 hours every week, and walk away with something running on your computer that did not exist when you woke up. I am going to teach you all 7 in the next 20 minutes. No terminal commands you have to memorize, no setup tutorial that asks you to install 3 things first. We are going to look at one real example all the way through, from the moment you type the first word to the moment the second version of the skill is doing more for you than the first one. Let us start. Here is the picture before we get into any details. A skill is a saved instruction. You write it once, Claude follows it every time you ask. The instruction lives in a single text file called SKILL.md. You can open the file, read the file, change the file. It is just a text file with a name on top and instructions below. That is the whole idea. Everything else in this video is a small piece of that one idea. Where the file lives, how the top of the file is shaped, how you ask Claude to use it, how you let Claude write the file for you instead of writing it yourself, and how to start with the skills that already come built in before you ever build your own. 7 things, 1 idea, 1 example. Here we go. The wrong picture most people walk in with is that a skill is some kind of installed plugin, something you download from a marketplace and plug into Claude. That is not what it is. A skill is a piece of writing you can do yourself in plain English in 5 minutes in a regular text file on your own computer. The other wrong picture is that you need to know how to code. You do not. The first skill you build will have no code in it, just sentences. Anthropic, the company that makes Claude, says it like this on their own page about skills: create a SKILL.md file with instructions and Claude adds it to its toolkit. That is the whole sentence. Instructions, not code. Here is the one idea named a skill is plain English you save once, so Claude does the same job the same way every time you ask. 7 things make that work. I will show you each one with the same example all the way through. The example: you run a small practice or a side business. Could be one freelance client. Could be a one-person consulting shop. Could be the side hustle you started last year that now has 30 customers. Every Friday afternoon, you spend an hour figuring out where you stand. What shipped this week? What is still in progress? Who owes you money? By the time you have answered those 3 questions, you have lost the hour you needed for the next thing. You hate it, you do it anyway. We are going to build a skill that does that hour for you in 45 seconds. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what file to create and what to put in it. Here we go. The first thing to know is the /skills command. In Claude Code, you type a / and the word skills. That shows you the catalog. Every skill available in your session, both the ones built in and the ones you have made yourself. The very first time you sit down with Claude Code, type /skills and read the list. 5 or 6 are already there. Anthropic ships them in the box. One is called /simplify, which reads code you have changed and points out anything sloppy. One is called /debug, which helps you trace through a bug. One is called /loop, which runs a prompt over and over with small changes. You did not write any of these. You did not install any of these. They came with the install. Use them first. Build your own only when you find a job none of them quite fit. The second thing to know is what a skill actually is on disk. Open your computer's file browser, find your home folder. Inside it, there is a folder called .claude with a dot before the word Claude. Inside that, a folder called skills. Every skill is a folder inside there with one file in it called SKILL.md. That is it. The skill is just a folder with a file in it. Nothing magic. You can copy it, you can email it, you can put it on a shared drive, you can read it on your phone. It is a text file with a name and a body exactly the way you would write a recipe for a friend. The third thing to know is the top of the file, what gets called the frontmatter. Frontmatter is a label. It sits at the very top of the file between two lines that are each 3 dashes. Inside that label, there are two things that matter for a beginner: a name, which is what you will call the skill in lowercase letters with hyphens between words, and a description, which is 1 or 2 sentences that tell Claude what the skill does and when to use it. The description is the most important line in the entire file. Claude reads the description, decides whether your request matches it, and then loads the rest of the file. If the description is vague, Claude does not pick the skill. If the description is sharp, Claude picks the skill exactly when it should. For our Friday brief example, the top of the file looks like this: 3 dashes, then a name line that says Friday brief. Then a description line that says generates a one-page Friday end-of-week summary from the Notes folder and the Invoices folder with shipped, in progress, and owed sections. 3 dashes again, that is the entire top of the file. 2 real lines of writing. The fourth thing to know is where the file lives. There are 2 locations a beginner needs. The first is the home folder, the one with .claude/skills inside it. Skills you put there are available everywhere, in every project, on your machine. The second is a project folder. If you have a folder for one specific client or one specific product, you can put a .claude/skills folder inside that project folder, and skills you put there only show up when you are working in that folder. For the Friday brief, you want it everywhere, so you put it in the home folder. The fifth thing to know, and this is the unlock for anyone who is not a coder, is that you do not have to write the SKILL.md file by hand. There is a built-in skill called /skill-creator. You type /skill-creator. You describe in plain English what you want the skill to do. Claude conducts the interview. Claude writes the file. Claude saves it in the right folder. Claude even runs a test to see if it works. For our example, you would type /skill-creator and then say something like this: I want a skill called Friday Brief. It should read my Notes folder and my Invoices folder. It should write a one-page summary every Friday. The summary has 3 sections: shipped this week, in progress, owed money. Save the summary as fridaybrief.md in the same folder I am working in. Anthropic's official skill creator page describes itself this way: create new skills, modify and improve existing skills, and measure skill performance. Use it for your first skill, for your 10th skill, for the rewrite of the skill you wrote last week. The interview is the on-ramp. You describe, Claude writes. The sixth thing to know is a single line in the front matter called allowed tools. This is the line that tells Claude which actions it can take without asking you for permission every time: reading files, editing files, running specific commands. For the Friday brief skill, you might add a line that says allowed tools, then the words read and glob, which let Claude look at your folders without stopping to ask each time. The careful version of this is to list only what the skill actually needs. The careless version is to give a skill more permission than its job requires. Anthropic's own documentation says it plainly: this field grants permission, it does not restrict. Other tools are still callable, so treat it like the keys to your office. The skill that emails one folder needs to read one folder, nothing more. The seventh thing to know is that everything builds on top of each other. The first version of your Friday brief is going to be wrong in some small way. Mine was: the amounts owed came out without flags, so the overdue invoices looked the same as the on-time ones. I opened the skill.md file in a regular text editor. I added one sentence to the body. For invoices past 30 days, prefix the line with the word overdue in capital letters. I saved the file. I did not restart anything. I typed /Friday brief. 45 seconds later, the new brief was sitting in the folder and the overdue invoices had overdue in front of them. The skill had improved. That is the loop. Run it, read the output, notice what is missing or wrong. Open the file, add a sentence, run it again. By week 3, my version of the skill compared to last week's brief and noted any client that had slipped from in progress to overdue. By week 4, it drafted a follow-up email I could paste and send. Each addition was one sentence. The file got longer, one sentence at a time. The Friday hour got shorter, 1 minute at a time. By month 2, what used to be an hour was 15 minutes that produced a full operating picture, a draft email batch, and a clean handoff to the next week. That is what compounding looks like. Not a one-time win, a skill that gets sharper every week because you get sharper every week at noticing what is missing. Now here is what this video did not cover on purpose so you know what is real and what you do not need yet. We did not cover hooks. Hooks are a way to make Claude take an action automatically before or after another action. Useful but not part of the first 7 things. We did not cover MCP servers. MCP is the way Claude reaches into outside tools like Gmail, Notion, or your project tracker. Real and useful, not part of the first weekend. We did not cover subagents. A subagent is a way to send a job into a separate sandbox so it does not crowd your main conversation. Power user move. We did not cover plugins, marketplaces, and selling skills you build. You will get there, not the first weekend. The reason I left these out is simple. The first weekend, you do not need them. You need to build one skill, run it once, edit it once, run it again, and feel the loop. That is the only thing you need to feel. Everything else can wait for a future video where the title says exactly what it is. Here is what you do this Saturday. One specific thing. Open Claude Code. Type /skills. Read the list. Pick one of the bundled skills you did not know existed and try it on something small. /simplify on the last bit of writing you did, /debug if you have a problem you are stuck on, /loop if you want to run the same kind of prompt over and over with small changes. Just one. Use a built-in skill once. Then type /skill creator. Describe one piece of your week you do by hand every time. Maybe it is the Friday brief I just walked through. Maybe it is the customer follow-up emails you draft from scratch every Wednesday. Maybe it is the weekly content idea list you scrape from 3 websites. Pick one, describe it in plain English. Let Claude write the SKILL.md file for you. Run it once. The first run will not be perfect, that is fine. Open the file, add one sentence, run it again, then close the laptop and go drink coffee. You will have on your machine a working skill, one that did not exist before Saturday morning, one that will save you time every single week from this point forward, one that will get sharper every time you touch it. That is what 80% of Claude Code Skills looks like in practice. 7 things. One skill, one Saturday morning. I packaged everything in this video as a 1-page Claude Code Skills 80/20 cheat sheet. The 7 commands, the SKILL.md template ready to fill in, the 30-minute Saturday plan, and 3 first skill ideas anyone can build this weekend. The link in the description below grabs it free. If you want to build alongside other people doing this every week and sharing what works and what does not, that is Agent Skills Academy. The link is school.com/agentskillsacademy/about. Free to join. Small practices, side businesses, freelancers, one-person shops, the same chair you sit in, we share working SKILL.md files every week. If this video gave you the 7 things you needed, drop 80 in the comments. One word, I read every comment in the first 48 hours.